Well, my friend, I've got some good news for you today because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to turn that little Fire Stick, the one you've probably already got plugged into your TV right now, into a front row seat for live sports. Football, basketball, baseball, boxing, soccer from across the pond, all of it. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech person to do this. If you can plug in a lamp, you can do exactly what I'm about to show you. I'll walk you through it nice and slow, step by step. Just like I'm sitting right there on the couch next to you, every single app we're using today is completely free. No free trial, no surprise payment screen, no enter your credit card first. Free, period. And before we jump in, quick heads up. This works on pretty much every Android-based streaming box out there. Firestick 4K, Firestick 4K Max, Amazon Fire TV Cube, on 4K Google TV boxes. If your device runs Android or Fire OS, you can follow right along with me. But I need one promise from you. Don't skip around in this video. There's one tiny setting we need to change near the beginning, and if you miss it, nothing else is going to work the way it should. So stay with me. Follow each step, exactly as I show you. And by the time this video ends, you'll have everything fully set up and ready to go. And trust me, you really want to stick around till the end, because I save the best app for last, the one I personally keep coming back to almost every single night. And once you see what this thing can do, you're probably going to sit there for a second and wonder how you ever lived without it. All right, the very first thing we need to do is head over to the Amazon App Store. And we are looking for just one app. Just one. And I promise you, once you have this, live sports on your Fire Stick will never be the same again. Here is how you get there. Push left one time on your remote, just once. That takes you right to the magnifying glass, the search icon. Click on that. Now we are going to use the keypad to type in the app we need. The app is called Downloader. I will put it right up on the screen as I spell it out, so don't worry about missing it. And here's the cool part. I typed in just the very first letter, and it has already popped up in the list right there on the right side of your screen. That is how popular this app is. Just slide over, highlight it, and click. It takes you straight to the exact app we need. Now listen, if you do not see this version of Downloader on your device, that just means your device is most likely not running Android, and this particular version will not show up for you. This whole process works beautifully on Android devices. So if you are on a Fire Stick, you are good to go. For everybody still with me, let's click on it and keep moving because the good stuff is coming up fast. All right, go ahead and click your center button one more time. That is going to open things up and give you the option to install the app right there on your screen. Just click that center button one more time and the download kicks off all by itself. No extra steps, no complicated menus, just one click and it is going. Now, as soon as that download finishes, it is going to roll straight into the installation automatically. And the moment installation is done, it is going to try to open the app on its own. But here is the thing. We are not going to use the app just yet. I know it is tempting, but hold off for just a moment. Before we do anything inside that app, we need to go back into your Fire Stick settings and make a couple of quick changes first. This is really important. If you skip this part and jump straight into the app, things are not going to work the way they should. I promise you it is quick. Just a couple of simple changes and then we are right back and ready to roll. The live sports are so close, you can almost taste them right now. So stay right with me. Do not touch that skip button because these next few steps are what make everything actually work the way it is supposed to. All right, press the home button on your remote. Scroll left to the hamburger menu, press the center button one time. Now scroll down to settings and press the center button one more time. Now go to My Fire TV. If you have an older Fire Stick, it might say My Device instead. Same thing, different label, press the center button. No developer options showing? Do not panic. Just make sure About is highlighted and press the center button. Now click that center button 7 to 10 times and a pop-up will appear saying you are already a developer. And just like that, developer options is unlocked. When you press the back button, boom, magically developer options is unlocked. Now just scroll down and select the developer options and then press the center button one time. Now, the very first thing you're going to see in here is something called ADB debugging. Right now it is turned off and that is completely normal. All you have to do is press your center button one time and just like that, it is on. Simple as that. All right, now slide down and look for where it says install unknown apps. Click on that. Now here's where it gets interesting. You are going to see a list of apps pop up on your screen. Downloader should be right there on that list. You might have a bunch of other apps showing up too, and that is totally fine. Just slide through the list, find the one that says Downloader, and click on it one time. That one click is going to switch it from off to on, and I need you to make absolutely sure that Downloader is showing as turned on before we move forward. All right, now hit the home button on your remote and let us go find that Downloader app we just installed. From your home screen, come to the center of the screen and just keep pushing right on your remote until you spot the Downloader app. It should not take long to find. Once you see it, click on it. Now, here is what Downloader actually is. And this is the part that blows most people away. Downloader is basically a full internet browser built right into your Fire Stick. It lets you visit almost any website on the internet right there on your TV screen. No phone, no laptop, no computer needed. Once it opens up, you are going to see a little red circle on your screen. That red circle is your cursor, and you move it around using the keypad right there on your remote. Up, down, left, right, just like a mouse on a computer. Now I want you to get comfortable moving that cursor around for just a second, because what we are about to type into this browser is going to be the key that unlocks unlimited live sports on your Fire Stick in 2026. All right, so take that red circle and move it up and over to the address bar right at the top of the screen.